In creating lines using bearing and distances, like off a boundary survey, I've got these two north arrows here, and one of the reasons is if you input the information down here in the command line, it uses north to the left, whereas if you use dynamic input, north is going up. So what I'm going to do first off, I've got my dynamic off. I'm going to start a line right here, and I'm going to do it down here in the command line. I'm going to do 50 feet or 50 units less than, and then I'm going to go north 45D 00 minutes 00 seconds west. So it should go off to this way. Let's see what happens, which it does, because that is the northwest direction. Now, using this same number that we see here, I'm going to do my dynamic input, and I'm going to go line. I'm going to start it right here. I'll just start it in the same spot. Now I'm going to type in 50 less than north 45D 00 minutes 00 seconds west, and it should go up to the upper left, which it does. So both these lines have the same bearing, but because of the difference between the old command line and the dynamic input, the north is actually oriented differently. We actually also have that in the when we're doing with coordinates, if you remember that. But another thing to keep in mind, which some people that are learning know, that I've listed this line, and as you can see, it says north 4500 west. That line can also be done as southeast. Northwest, southeast is the same line. You just have to know which direction you're going in. But that's as simple as it gets. Obviously, make sure that your units are set to, got everything off my screen here. Make sure your units are set to this. You know, if you only have degrees, then you could just do this one, but I went ahead and did the full one with degrees, minutes, and seconds. And that's pretty much all there is to it. This is the end of the video. Thanks.